You don't always need a huge carpet cleaner to tackle pet messes. Instead, this BISSELL little green portable upholstery and carpet cleaner is perfect for those smaller spills and stains. Its powerful suction makes it easy to lift away dirt and paw prints from carpets, stairs, and even car interiors. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to use, so you can clean up messes almost anywhere. And this machine doesn't just clean up after pets, it helps save them. BISSELL proudly supports BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. When you buy a BISSELL product, you help save pets too. We're proud to design products that help make pet messes, odors, and pet homelessness disappear. Why you should buy the BISSELL Little Green Pet Deluxe Portable Carpet Cleaner. The BISSELL Little Green Pet Deluxe Portable Carpet Cleaner is a smart investment for anyone dealing with frequent messes, especially pet owners. Here's why it stands out. Powerful cleaning performance. The 3-amp motor and effective suction remove tough stains and odors. Compact and portable design. Easy to carry and use in various settings, from home to car. Versatile cleaning tools. The included tools make it suitable for a wide range of surfaces and cleaning tasks. Large tank capacity. The 48 ounces tank reduces the need for frequent refills, making cleaning more efficient. Pet-friendly features. Supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation and effectively tackles pet-related messes. The BISSELL Little Green Pet Deluxe is designed with both form and function in mind. Its sleek gray and blue design is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also incredibly practical. Weighing in at a manageable size, it's easy to carry around your home or to your car for quick detailing jobs. The carry handle adds to its portability, making it convenient to transport from room to room or out to the driveway. Despite its compact size, this cleaner boasts a 48-ounce tank capacity, allowing you to clean larger areas without constant refills. The design is user-friendly, with clear instructions and straightforward controls that make operation simple, even for those new to portable cleaners. When it comes to performance, the BISSELL Little Green Pet Deluxe doesn't disappoint. Its powerful suction is capable of lifting even the toughest pet stains and spots from carpets, upholstery, and car interiors. The 3-amp motor ensures that the cleaner provides consistent and robust performance, making quick work of paw prints, spills, and other messes. One of the standout features is its ability to remove pet odors effectively. The included Pet Spot and Stain Plus Pet Oxy Boost formulas work in tandem to tackle stubborn pet stains and odors, leaving your home smelling fresh and clean. This portable cleaner is designed for versatility. Whether you need to clean carpets, stairs, upholstery, area rugs, or auto interiors, the BISSELL Little Green Pet Deluxe is up to the task. The included tools enhance its functionality. 3-inch tough stain tool, perfect for tackling stubborn stains on a variety of surfaces. Stain trapper tool, ideal for capturing and holding messes, making it easier to clean and dispose of waste. Hydrant self-cleaning hose tool ensures your hose stays clean and free of debris after each use. One of the biggest advantages of the BISSELL Little Green Pet Deluxe is its ease of use. The dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, simplifying the filling and emptying process. The 4-foot hose length provides ample reach for cleaning larger areas or difficult-to-reach spots. The machine's intuitive design includes easy-to-follow instructions and a straightforward setup. The Hydrant self-cleaning hose tool makes maintaining the cleaner hassle-free, ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning task. BISSELL's commitment to supporting pet welfare is a significant selling point for pet owners. Every purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, dedicated to helping save homeless pets. This cleaner not only helps maintain a clean home, but also contributes to a meaningful cause. Final thoughts. The BISSELL Little Green Pet Deluxe Portable Carpet Cleaner is a robust, versatile, and user-friendly cleaning solution. Its powerful suction, large tank capacity, and pet-friendly features make it an ideal choice for anyone dealing with frequent spills and pet messes. Whether you need to clean carpets, upholstery, or auto interiors, this cleaner offers the performance and convenience to get the job done right. Invest in the BISSELL Little Green Pet Deluxe today and experience the ease of maintaining a clean and fresh home environment. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.